welcome back to my new video. So we are with a very interesting topic. I made my own homemade refractor telescope which is just amazing. So I would like to share that review of the telescope with you. And in next upcoming videos, we'll be watching planets like Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and like nebula like Orion Nebula. But of course, we can't see it so clearly. But of course, I'll be showing Orion Nebula, and also I'll try to see Andromeda Galaxy, but I'm not sure. So now let's go see my homemade telescope which I made on my own. So okay guys, here you see is my own homemade telescope. It's a refractor with a focal length of 700 mm and the aperture is I guess 75 mm is aperture. You can see the achromatic doublet lens with an aperture of 75 mm, but actually I've covered like around 5 mm for fixing this, and it's entirely made up of PVC pipes. And you can see it might be looking ugly, but there is a lot of work to be done on this telescope and the tripod yet. And you might be wondering what type of tripod is this. This is my own innovative tripod which I made it on my own. So I thought of purchasing a tripod, but then I thought rather than purchasing one, it would be good to make one. So I just made my own innovative tripod. If you guys like it, just comment in the comment section down below. And so of course you can see my tripod is shaking a lot. I have to work on my tripod. I have to work on my color of my telescope. I have to still fully coated black inside my telescope tube. And as you can see, it can rotate 360 degree. I can adjust the height up and down. I can move it up to 90. I can circle a 360 degree rotation and also 360 degree revolution. And now you might be wondering, what is the magnification of this telescope? So as you can see, here is my eyepiece box. So here you see is my 3x Barlow lens from Anand Traders, Averia. So this will magnify your image 3x. But now I'm not going to talk about my Barlow lens. I'll surely make a separate video on my Barlow lens. Here you see is my 25 mm Kellner fully coated eyepiece, which gives me a magnification of 28x. So I'll also make a detailed video on how to calculate the magnification of your telescope in the upcoming videos. Here you see my 10 mm fully coated Anand Traders Kellner 10 mm eyepiece. You might be wondering, what is this? This is some thing what I've done for my telescope. I'll just explain this to you in the upcoming videos because there is not much time in this video to do that. So as you can see, this is actually 0.965 inch size, but my focuser and Barlow lens is of size 1.25 inch. But I don't know, by mistake I bought all of these from Amazon. Amazon has by mistakenly delivered this. But of course this is 1.25 inch eyepiece, which is very good. This is my 0.965 10 mm Kellner fully coated eyepiece. So now let me just fix all these equipments to my telescope and just show you a full photo. So okay guys, so now let me mount my eyepiece with the Barlow lens and just show you guys. I'll surely make future videos showing Venus. Venus is actually over there. So can you guys see Venus over there? You see that bright star over here? I'm going to circle that. That's Venus. And Orion is over there. So I'll surely show all those things in the further upcoming videos. So now let me mount my Barlow lens and my other eyepieces. So firstly, I'll take my Barlow lens and my 25 mm Kellner fully coated eyepiece by Anand Traders. So firstly, gotta loose the screw. Put my Barlow lens in. Tight the screw like this and check once whether it is fully tightened, and then loose this screw at the bottom. Put this gotta loose it furthermore. Put this eyepiece and again tighten it fully and check whether it's fully tightened. And here is my focuser with a stroke of 55 mm. You can just see it. It's actually very smooth. It's a rack and pinion one. So So it's a very good one. And as you can see, I made a star diagonal actually, which is not that good. Actually, it is good, but it has few corrections to be done. I actually thought of purchasing one, but for me, purchasing was a bit expensive. So I thought of making a star diagonal. So I've used a mirror here, placed at 45-degree angle, which is the ideal angle for a star diagonal mirror. I'll make a detailed video on star diagonal also in the further upcoming videos. But I just made a normal star diagonal, which is actually working good but needs a bit of correction. So once I do that, we'll be seeing all this very easily. So that's pretty much it, guys. So this is my homemade telescope which I made on my own. I worked for 4 months, study about the telescope science, which was kind of interesting, and some parts was a bit tricky for me to understand. Of course, the experts like the astronomers, for them it's very easy, but I was a beginner in astronomy, so I faced a bit of tricky points which I couldn't understand. But then later I read a lot of theories, I saw a lot of videos, I saw a lot of videos. So now I'm all okay with telescope science, which is very interesting and very easy. So of course I'll share a bit of knowledge about telescopes with you guys also in the further upcoming videos. So okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So stay tuned for further interesting videos. Bye bye.